Hi there, Maroun again. I personally welcome you again to this apartment series. Today I'll be showing you a simple and cheap recipe for a delicious and healthy meal. This is my go-to whenever I'm in rush in the morning or at lunch. It's simple, it's cheap, and a great source of protein. So what do we need for this? Well, we need eggs, we need cheese, butter, pre-cooked bacon, green onions. So all of this came up to a total of $18.47. I was charged an extra 10 cents because I forgot to bring my plastic bag. But for this particular recipe, we're going to need 3 eggs, bacon, butter, green onions, and cheese. First, we'll use 1 egg for the egg white and 2 whole eggs. We'll scramble them well and add some pepper. Please note that I did not add any salt to this. The saltiness will come from the added cheese and bacon. I'll throw in the bacon in the pan to get it a little bit crispy and get it ready. In the meantime, I'll chop up the green onions and have it set on the side, and I'll also cut up some cheese to have it ready for later. Since frying the bacon has some fat in it, we don't require any oil or butter. And because it's pre-cooked, it doesn't require a lot of cooking. For the omelette, I like to have a bit of butter so it doesn't stick to the pan. And also covering it will help the steam to cook also on the top as well. We want to make sure that the fire is not too high, so we're going to be watchful over that. Since the egg is very delicate protein, we don't want to play around. So let the pan do its job, let the heat do its job. And before flipping it, we're going to add in the pre-cooked bacon, as well as the pre-cut cheese, as well as the cut onions. Once I flip it, I'll make sure all liquids are also well cooked. And if you want it extra cheesy, you can add some cheese on top. And voila, bon appétit!